Hey guys, before I jump in today's video, I just want to go over something that was sent out to check out for a company called NewAir fridge. Usually I don't take too many products that people send, like a lot of people offer some junk, but this company reached out to me and actually seems pretty cool. And the fridge they make is awesome. They're even offering a 20% discount for you guys. So I just wanted to take up this deal and let you guys know that you can get money off on a fridge, 20% off. It's a really good deal. Show you the fridge. It's pretty sick actually. So I don't have too much in it. I just have some like beef jerky, some seltzer water, and some soda. These were shelves that I took off. It has an LED light that's controllable up here, right here, on, off, and it also has, you can see that, temperature, so it's set at 6 right now. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Link will be in the description if you guys have any questions about this. Right now it's just chilling in my back room, but hopefully, and printers on top, hopefully in the spring I'll have it in a garage, and it's an awesome addition to any person's garage that likes to work on cars. I know I'll sure be using this in the summer when it comes time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over installing new BMW logos and just refreshing the front end and back end of the BMW, my BMW E46. So for the logos, I ended up not buying genuine BMW ones only because I will be wrapping or repainting the car, and that's when I will be putting on genuine logos. But for now, I just wanted to refresh it, make a video, and show you guys just refreshing the front of the car. I also did get back logos. The back logo is a different size if you were wondering. I think it's a 72 and the front's an 82, something like that. I will put all the information, the size, in the links, but this is the back one right here. It's smaller. And I also did order some new these rubber little pieces that hold the logo actually in, and I'll show you guys that once we take it off. Some things you're gonna need really is just some sort of cloth to clean under, because it's probably super dirty, and a plastic pry tool to pry under the logo. I would not recommend putting any metal onto your paint, and because you will scratch it and ruin it. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is just get it under here. I kind of already lifted mine up, so mine's a little easier, but you're just gonna get your plastic pry tool under and just run it around the actual logo, and you'll see it start to teeter-totter. Just keep going. Gotta get the left side out. The right side's up, the left side, and there you go. Logo is now out. Now we're just gonna clean it up. To be honest, these little rubber pieces look fine on my car, so I'm actually not going to replace them. I'm just going to put them back on. I thought they were going to be all messed up, but to be honest, they're in pretty good condition. This does appear to not be a genuine BMW logo. This is my one that's already on here is actually already a replacement logo, so let's put this one on now. And to put it back on, just line it up, push on it. It's going to be pretty firm, and bam, just pull off the plastic covering. Look at that, looks awesome. Alright, let's get on to the back one now. So we come to the back, this is the smaller logo, and we're going to just do the same process. We're just going to get behind it and pry it out. This one's actually a genuine BMW logo. It actually has the BMW part number and everything on it. So now we're just gonna clean this off. I'm actually not even gonna replace these ones either. Unfortunately, this car was resprayed at some time, and they resprayed right over the actual rubber pieces. So let's see if this just goes right back on or what happens. I might have to scrape them out. So let's see. Nope, it goes in. It's very tight on this one, tighter than the front. awesome. Just looks awesome. Brand new logos on the car. Makes the car just look so much better. Just refreshing the car. One thing I am noticing, this logo does appear to be just a little smaller. It's almost like that hole on the car is an oval. I don't know if that's just me, but if any of you guys want to see that same thing that I'm talking about, comment down below. Yeah, it looks awesome. Let me grab some shots of it to show you guys what it looks like, and that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments or concerns about this, I will be putting a link in the description where I got both these BMWs and those little rubber pieces if you need them. I did pick these up on Amazon, and for aftermarket ones, I think they look awesome. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.